In this video, we will explore one of the exciting Power BI custom visual. Hello and welcome to Learning Science. Imagine you are supposed to show total sales, average sales, median sales, and sales variance by country. To do this, you need to have a 4 visual like you can see on your screen. If I will tell you, you can do this using a single visual, or in other words, combine your independent measures into a single visuals. So we are going to use Power BI custom visual called Merge Bar Chart by Silva. So let us jump to the computer and show you how to do this. So as this visual is a custom visual, so we have to bring it from marketplace. So get more visual. In get more visual, here you have to type merge. So here you can see merge bar chart Nova Silva. So you have to add from here. So I have already added, so I'm not going to add, and you have to read all the informations. So here is, let me jump to demo page. And here I will add merge bar chart by Nova Silva visual. And I'll increase the size. So what I'm going to do from my data table, I will add a country on y-axis. And this is my total sales. So I'll say sum of sales. Now I will again add a sales, and this time what I'm going to do, I'll say average. So you can see 2 bars are added. One is the sales, total sales, and one is the average sale. I will add one more. And this I will say median sales. So third one is added, medians of sales. And I will add one more time and I will say variance. So now if you can see the four independent measures and 4 bar chart added. Total sales, I can rename it also. So let me rename as a total sales, average sales, median sales, and variance. If you want to add a order quantity, also you can add. So now there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OK, so this is the single visual and I have added the multiple measures. So now what I'm going to show you some formatting option of this. You can change the bar color. So here I will take some different color, light blue color. Here I will change some dark color. Let me add some dark color. And here will be this color. So total sales, average sales, median sale, and variance sales, and order quantity. So here you can also add a label. So I have added the label, and I will let me reduce the size of the label and change the color of the label. I'll keep it gray. So I hope it will be useful for you, and I hope you will like it. So that's all for this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel. Your subscription is important to us. Currently 94% people are watching my video without subscribing the channel. Please help us to subscribe our channel.